Okay, this dance is called Las Doce, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on November 2022. There are 32 count, 4 whirls, improver level line dance. Okay, and there is one take after whirl 8, only 4 count, which is free step. Okay, let's start with the section 1. Section 1, kick ball change. Once more, kick ball change, and then step forward, half turn left, sweep left foot, and coaster step. And then section 2, side touch, close, side touch, close, side touch, hip bump, and then step back, touch forward, step back, touch forward. Section 3, walk forward, right, left, and lock shuffle forward, and then half turn to right, and then lock shuffle forward. Section 4, step right foot to right, hold, and then close together, step right foot to right, close touch, and then quarter turn to left, step forward, half turn, step back, half turn, and then lock shuffle forward. Okay? Now let me repeat with the count. Section 1, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, there is one take after whirl 8, which is free step facing 12 o'clock. Okay, free step, out, out, in. Okay, that's all the tutorial for Las Doce line dance. I hope you can follow the step. I hope you enjoy the music. I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you. Bye.